she's back again with another Temu haul. Only this one is all about the Black Friday deals going on at Temu. So it's kind of random. That's okay. You guys say you enjoy that. And it was funny because I just filmed a Temu haul over on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. It's all about fashion try-ons and everything. And I was talking about how I had a lot of you guys in my DMs while I was sick saying, Rhonda, we need the weekly Temu hauls. We need them to come back. We're back, guys. So if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. Your girl is still struggling. I tell you what, like, I'm not one to get sick, but apparently when I do, my body's like, oh, this is different. Let's hold on to it. Can we stop? Anyways, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda. I'm a Gemini with ADHD that talks and takes 15 left-hand turns. You chose to click on a channel that starts with hot mess. So that's on you, my friend. We're here to lift each other up, not tear each other down. So welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. You guys always ask me on all of my channels to keep you updated on the Temu jewelry. No issues whatsoever. And this one, I think this was actually the cubic zirconia. This wasn't even their moissanite. If you guys, I mean, hello, holiday season, Black Friday deals. If you guys are looking for really good jewelry, maybe you're thinking about popping the question, check out the certified moissanites over at Temu because they're really good. I highly recommend them. I haven't had any turning colors and nothing with any of my Temu jewelry. Like, it's great. So anyways, if you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an app that you can download and it has everything. They literally have electronics, home goods, decor, they have fashion, accessories, beauty. I mean, literally the list goes on. And I always joke and say that it's like my TikTok For You page. Like, my For You page is completely different than my, 19, 23, 17-year-olds, my husband's, what have you. They're always suggesting new things. With the Black Friday deals, you cannot beat them. We're talking stocking stuffers, Secret Santa gifts, whatever it may be. Temu has you, and we've got a variety of different things to talk about today. So Temu does have lightning deals going on as well. So what the price may be right now could be a lightning deal tomorrow. But don't worry, because they do price adjustments. They have free returns, free shipping, accept all major credit cards. Everything that I show you today should be linked and listed down below for you guys for direct purchase. They're not affiliate link or anything, but it just, I think, lets Temu know that I sent you over their way. In my head it does anyways. Any coupon codes and discount codes will be down there as well. The perfect stocking stuffer, the perfect Secret Santa gift. Get a little mug and put this together with a little bath bomb, maybe a wine glass, a bath bomb, and this. I think that would be excellent. So this is the, like, I call it the queen headband because, like, everybody who's doing their makeup, their skincare, what have you, is putting it on. And it comes in different colors. I also have it in pink and blue, and why not add to the collection with white, you know? And then, of course, you need the little wristlets, so when you're washing your face and everything. I don't know about y'all, but your girl has sensory processing disorder, so there's certain things I can't handle, certain fabrics, certain things like water dripping down to my elbow. I don't care if I'm about to get into that mother truck and shower. Do not let me be washing my face or whatever and water come. No thank you, no ma'am. So anyways, that's what these are all about. You can buy these all by themselves separately, but why would you not when you can get it as a package deal, you know? So this is a repick, and I do want to say thank you to Temu for working with your girl in today's video and letting me pick all of these items out to show. This, I can attest that I have used them and I actually really like them. These are their little lash extensions. I just use my Kiss lash glue for this, like the Foscara matte lash glue. Don't use regular lash glue and stick these to your lashes. Like, golly Jesus, do not do that. Get the Foscara lash glue and then use these, and they come in a bunch of different lengths, I guess is what it's called. but it is more of the dramatic, and I love them. I love them. In the summertime when we go down to the lake and everything, I just put these on for the weekend and they last. And it's funny because I always get compliments on them too. Next in here, these are passport books. They're just nice and simple. And you guys, like, honestly, I've seen like where my luggage is from, they sell these and they're crazy expensive, and it's like faux leather. Just if you're traveling, just get it from Temu. I mean, it's got everything that you need. It's got the little sleeve. But again, I think these are really good little stocking stuffers or little gifts that you don't necessarily think about picking up yourself, and that's where Temu comes in. You know, like, oh, I didn't know I needed that. Thank you, Temu. You know, that's kind of how Temu is. It's like you walk into Target. You don't know what you're there for. I mean, you may just be there for toilet paper or maybe some shower gel, but then Target's like, but did you know you also need this, 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 and this? And we're gonna take a stroll down the snack aisle. You need this too. That's how Temu is, okay? That's exactly how Temu is. Okay, so this next thing is sparkly. Hold on, I feel like my camera, I've got it like on the little tripod, probably a little too tight. How freaking adorable is this? Again, you didn't know you needed it till you see it. I mean, right? How cutesy. So it's just a little cute little brush holder. I mean, you don't have to just use your makeup brushes. You could use this like I'm gonna do and put it on my desk and put my pens and everything in there. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. I love sparkly things. Glitter, sparkle, shimmer. Yes, ma'am. Welcome to my life. Okay, so this again is a repick because they're really good. And I feel like these are something that you just kind of don't realize you need until you need them. So it's a bag of the little hair clips, and look how cute these are. These are really good too. So, I mean, you just, you know, however you want to do it, you know. But I think these are things that are cute for, like, I don't know about you guys, and I think I talked about this last time, where I talked about these are really good if you're doing goodie bags or holiday bags for your kids' classroom. You get a whole pack of them. It's like a pack of 8. So you just need a couple bags of them depending on how large the classroom is. But I thought these would be something that, I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes you make like the teacher's gifts and stuff like that. These would be things that are cute like that, or the dance teacher, the music teacher, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, you just can't beat these, and the quality of these hair clips are really, really good. I like the matte finish to them as well, and I mean, they will hold your hair well, but I picked some up to gift out as well. All right, next in here is a refill and the shaver that goes with it. So this is the women's shaver for sensitive skin, and this is actually something that I already have, but it's great because it's travel size, and I thought, you know, keep one in my travel bag and then I have one for when I go camping and everything. This is perfect. You can get through TSA with it. It's got like the little handle caddy doohickey that's breathable, and then I picked out the refills. So hopefully these refills fit. I think they will. Yeah, I think this one fits. If not, these are the exact size of the one that I already have. But I thought that was really nice that you can actually pick up the refills. But this is literally the perfect little travel friendly thing. And you know, here's a perfect little stocking stuffer, you know? And then you can get, I mean, how cute. Everything to me is like a wine glass, a mug, and then fill it with things. And I was talking about it before, like I see how people do like a pink themed basket or a yellow themed basket, or blue, mint green, whatever, and then they put a bunch of different stuff in there. You guys, like Temu has you. You literally can go into the search bar and put like pink items, and like all the stuff, you know, shows up. I'm a little obsessed with pink, guys. Okay, so once again, this is a repick because these are amazing. You guys didn't know, fun fact, if you get velvet hangers, one, your stuff is gonna like not fall down, your sweaters aren't gonna fall off the hook or whatever, but you can actually put more things into your closet. Ask me how I know. Okay, I know. So yeah, I can't get enough of these because aesthetically they're freaking adorable and I love them. So they have them in other colors. So if pink is not your jam and you want black or white or whatever, you could get them in those colors too. But again, like if you've got a kid in college, dorming, whatever, they need a lot of space. So these kind of hangers come in perfect, and they're so flippin' expensive on other websites. So yeah, you can't beat them at Temu. You get a pack of, I think, 10. Oh, okay, so I thought I got more. I didn't. I got, okay, so I think I already have the pillow cases for winter time, but now I've got the mats. So I want to do, I know in my beauty room, I'm going to do a Christmas tree with pink on there. So I need to pick out a bunch of stuff from Temu because they have a whole pink, white, silver, rose gold, all of that stuff over there. So I got the placemats. Right now I have the fall placemats over on my table, and I mean they're not like crazy thick, they're thin, but they work and they're cute. And it's so funny because my kids automatically notice, like right away, they're like, oh, those are fun. I think they're really cute. You can do like different styles and everything. Like right now mine are still fall and it's like the teal, which I had the matching pillows, but I picked out the pink and I'm like, I can't. I love pink so much. So once again, if you're making a little basket, you need some pink ideas. Temu has ya. So this is because I love summertime. We go down to the lake all the time, and I know what you're saying, Rhonda, it's not summertime. You don't, it doesn't matter. You always should just be prepared. So I got a little rafty floaty thingy. So when we go down to the lake, it is a chair that I can plop my booty in and float around the lake. And I'm mighty excited about it. They've got like the little seat and the little cover thingy. And one of you guys actually were, I think you said you were a former lifeguard, and I was showing you guys some of the life vests that we got when we were going down to the lake from Temu, and I had gotten them in like blue or black or whatever, and you guys were like, you said, no, you need to get more neon colors. So I heard you, and I went with the whole neon green because, and here's the wrapped part that you blow up to use on here, because that totally made sense. And you guys, you had said if you're at the lake and you're wearing like black or blue, it's harder to see you, God forbid. So you need to wear and have neon colors. Did I get swimsuits that are neon now? Yes I did. And did I pick a raft chair floaty out in neon because you suggested it and you totally made sense? Yes, because I learned from you guys. You guys make sense. And I'm like, okay, say less. I listen. So anyways, if you want a floating little chair, get it in a neon color, and you can find it at Temu. Next in here, because I'm always thinking about the lake and camping, I got a 10-gallon shower for when we go camping. I know. I'm always ready. So this is the kind though that you set it up, you like warm it up. No, you don't warm it up, but like the heat of the sun will warm up the bag and warm up the water, so it'll be warm when you're taking that shower. So I don't know if I'll ever, you know, like really truly take a whole shower, but I looked at it like you can just kind of hose off, you know, like if you happen to go to the beach, or well, the beach, but it's really like, I mean, it's sand anyways, and then you get back to your campsite, you can kind of hose off before you go and shower or whatever. I don't know. When I say Temu has everything, and this enticed me and made me think that I was like a traveler person, because sometimes I watch those on YouTube and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna travel and live out of my car. No, I'm not, but I did think that for a second, and so I picked this out. And you just never know when you might need to take a shower on the side of the road. Let me remind you guys, this is a judgment-free zone, okay? And it is my job and my duty to show you all the amazing things that Temu offers, justifying everything. This is another repick for my beauty room because the first one just wasn't enough. It's the picture frame. I already have this in my beauty room, but I thought it would be cute to add another one. So it's got the little pearly accents. Isn't it so cute? And then it just has the little hooks back here, and you just open it up, put your picture in, and there you go. But I thought it was really precious. They really truly have a lot of just random things. And, you know, sometimes I mail things to you guys. Sometimes I'm really good and I put things in my Poshmark and I sell stuff, you know, and I have to ship it. And when I do, I want to have really cutesy bags to ship it in. Well, they have those there. So if by chance maybe you have an Etsy shop or something and you sell things like Tina, for example, she has a Poshmark shop. Tina, girl, leave your link down below. Yeah, you could just check out, or the name of your Poshmark. But if you need to ship out things and you want cutesy little, nice little bags, Temu has you. You can never be too prepared, my friends. Okay, next giveaway. You guys see that mailer? You know where it came from. Apparently I want options for my passport. So this one is really fancy. Oh, this is really nice. So look at this. This has a spot, like a slot for your SIM card in here as well. Then a pocket over here to put stuff, you know, pictures you can put in there or something. I don't know. You can put your passport in there. You can put your credit cards in. That's really nice. You can put a pen in here. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, well, there you go. So this one is, it's a bigger, like more options, but it's still kind of that faux leather. And it's nice and sleek, and it's like a magnetic closure, which is really nice too. Which one to use? I don't know. Okay, next in here, I picked out, I like these for like liners of your drawers or whatever. Or you could use these. See, I'm not brave enough to put these on my countertop. If I were to do that, I would need them to be like this long, so I didn't have to do multiple lineups, you know what I'm saying? I will say that you could use these for, if you see right here, that's all contact paper. That's what this is contact paper. I don't know why that was such a struggle for me to like, oh, it's a drawer liner, oh, it's this, Rhonda, it's just contact paper. So it's like a marbleized contact paper, and you could put this on the wall, you could line your drawers with it, you could put it as whatever you want. And then I got a warm color, but I think for me, I think I'm gonna just line things with it. You can also, we to this day still have the table that I put contact paper over. It was our old dinner table. It's now like my husband uses it as a desk. It's still held up. So that's another thing, if you want to accent things like a table, whatever, these are really great and they're really inexpensive. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so last for the window, I thought this would be cute to hang up. It's just like one of those little thingies. So when the sunlight comes in, it like projects like rainbows. It's the thing she just didn't know you needed from Temu. So yeah, isn't that cutesy? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I mean, it showed on the little thingy that when the sun hits it, it'll project prisms or whatever that is onto the wall. And that's my hope. So it's gonna hang up in my window because I love sparkle, shimmer, and all things glitter. It's not glass though. I'm a little sad. I thought it would be glass. It's just plastic. Anyways, that is everything for today's Temu haul. It's very random. I am all I'm lying. There's one more thing. Oh my gosh. It's the tree skirts. I forgot I picked this out. This is so cute. Well, this is gonna go in my beauty room. It's a little pink nutcracker. Honestly, I was a little worried it was going to be like that digital print stuff, but it's kind of like a velvet feel, and then it has the ribbons that you just tie it together, and then on this side it's like, feels like satin, but it's like a polyester. But how freaking cute is that? Oh my gosh, excuse my voice. That is so freaking cute. Okay. I'm so excited over this. I can't wait to pick out more Christmas themed things from Temu because the deals are so good over there. So like I said, everything's going to be linked and listed down below. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you once again to Temu for letting me pick out these items to show here on my channel. And of course, all coupon codes and everything will be in the description box, and I'll pin it in the comment section for you guys as well. Thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thanks to you guys for all of your love and support. Thanks to those of you clicking the thanks button and helping to support support the channel, tip the channel as well. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs and Hotmess in the Kitchen. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma of 4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.